Today's tip is hopefully very beneficial to you. It is called the importance of the letter G. I know when I first started doing vocal training with my mentor, Brett, in Nashville, and things were maybe a little different than the way I'd grown up with coaching, because so much of my early years of training as a singer was I would go in, run some scales on the piano, and then sing songs. That kind of worked for me because I had a natural talent for singing. What I found to be true as a coach and through my training with my mentor was that many of you, singing may be a little bit harder, and that's okay. Actually, that's probably better because you have to work for it a little more than someone with the real natural talent. And if you have to do that, you're going to appreciate it more in most cases. And I find that oftentimes you actually end up being better overall because you put in the time and you work harder and you stretch yourself to be better and to go further. So, and all that to say, I remember when I was training, I was like, what do all these things mean? Like, why are we doing this exercise? What does this sound mean? What does this word mean? Why this consonant? Why'd that get easier? That's where this tip comes in, the letter G. The letter G is a very great little letter when it comes to vocalizing and training the voice and building the voice. That's because it gives us a little something to kind of grab onto, hold onto, lean into, maybe thrust out of our mouths a little bit. I'll give you an example in a second. But as we're trying to get closure and connection on the vocal, the G helps. So if I'm just going, oh, I might be able to do that. It might be a little swimmy. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing with all this because there's no structure. That's pretty free for all. What if I do go, 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 go? Now I've got something to wrap my voice around. The G gives me a little more structure. Go, 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 go. You can hear how that literally just helps me project the word and stay on top of it. Now, if you're trying this at home and you do go, 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 well, first and foremost, I can already tell by listening I'm raising the larynx too much. And I'm pulling back on the letter and the word itself, almost as if I'm starting to self-focus instead of release and let go of. Go, 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 go. Watch your jaw and your mouth. Maybe be a little more dramatic in your expression of it. Go, 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 go. It's going to be easier than if I go, 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 go. See, you can see I'm trying to like squish it or pull it back or pinch it, tighten it. Go, 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 go. Even little goofy things with your hands, popping down on top of it, opening yourself up, leaning into the expression of the letter G will help you find more release and more connection on these notes. As you climb, as you go a little higher, if you're doing exercises with it, then you engage the diaphragm a little more as you go as well. You can do the little tricks that I talk about, leaning over, trying to actually kind of sit down on the note, if you will. So you push your hands down or simulate that you're sitting in a chair. Go, 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 go. Just in my mind, I put a little press down now on my diaphragm in doing so. So the G becomes a very effective consonant and little trick in helping me, again, maintain closure and find release, open, supported tones, projecting the word, at this point just being the letter G and O, go, but finding form and function in my vocal. Hope this helps. It's a great little tip. Practice your letter G's. For now, I'm Jason Catron with the Vocal Lab Los Angeles. We'll see you guys soon. Keep singing. Thank you so much for watching that last video. Do me a favor now, click right here and subscribe.